4 pieces chicken with yogurt. Today, I make a chicken rezala. You can make this very easily. Stay with me till end of the video. Don't skip the video. Here's ginger, garlic paste, and ready-made rezala masala. And one more thing, you always forget to hit the subscribe button. My chicken rezala, ready to eat. You can find Ghee's recipe in description below.